Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into a breastfeeding position that is perfect for moms who need comfort and rest, the side-lying breastfeeding position. Whether you are recovering from a cesarean section, struggling with back pain, or simply want a cozy nighttime feeding option, this technique is a lifesaver. The side-lying position allows you to lie on your side with your baby facing you. Start by lying down on a firm, comfortable surface. Use a pillow to support your head and neck. Your baby should lie parallel to your body, tummy to tummy, ensuring their nose aligns with your nipple. This close alignment is crucial for a proper latch. Supporting your baby is essential. Use your arm or a pillow to hold your baby gently but securely. You can also place a rolled-up blanket behind your baby's back to prevent rolling. Comfort is key here. The more relaxed you are, the smoother the feeding session will be. One major advantage of the side-lying position is that it reduces strain on your back, shoulders, and arms. Unlike traditional sitting positions, you can rest while feeding, which is especially helpful during nighttime sessions when both you and your baby are sleepy. Next, focus on the latch. Gently guide your baby's mouth to your nipple. Make sure your baby takes in a large portion of the areola, not just the nipple. A correct latch prevents nipple pain, reduces the risk of blocked ducts, and ensures your baby receives sufficient milk. Listen for swallowing sounds to confirm that your baby is feeding effectively. Side-lying breastfeeding can be particularly beneficial for mothers recovering from surgery, such as a C-section. Since it eliminates pressure on the abdomen, you can feed comfortably without pain. Additionally, this position can be a gentle alternative for mothers with larger breasts, as gravity helps your baby latch more easily. Safety is very important. Always ensure that your baby's face is clear of blankets or pillows and that their head is supported but not tilted in an awkward position. Supervised feeds are essential until you both become familiar with the position. In summary, the side-lying position is a restful and practical way to breastfeed, allowing moms to feed their babies while lying down, reducing physical strain, and promoting a calm feeding environment. Experiment with pillow support, alignment, and latch until you find what works best for both you and your baby. With patience and practice, side-lying breastfeeding can become your favorite go-to position. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful breastfeeding tips and expert advice.